Liz here with your Daily Lizard, and we're talking about that book still, and it's an amazing book. Love it. If you haven't gotten it, it might be hard to find. It's an old book. It's got those kind of ideas that are timeless in it. All right, so this idea comes from the area of the book where it's talking about 28 different ways that you can be indispensable. And I think these are ways 7 and 8. We're combining them today. And the 2 ways are know your customers and then change when they change. Now, knowing your customers is great all by itself. Know who they are, find out what do they care about, what matters to them, what's important to them, and not just with regards to what you do, but in their lives, period. Who are they? If you live in a red state, are the majority of your clients Republicans? Know about that. What do they care about? What are the different values that they hold? If you live like I do in Washington, and I don't live in a red state, I live in a blue state, then I need to know, are my customers mostly conservatives? Are they mostly not in my area, right? All right, but I need to know that. Figure out who your customers are, and then know when they change. When do things change for them? And then you need to change things as well. A really great example, I think, is COVID, right? COVID made it really obvious for the entire cleaning industry, y'all know I'm in the cleaning industry, or at least I was, that things changed. Back in the day, people really cared that their houses were neat and tidy and looked good. COVID came and people really cared that their homes were clean, disinfected, and without germs. They wanted to feel safe in their homes. Who your customers were, who my customers were, changed. Did you change with that? Did you short-term change or did you long-term change? Look at this idea as a way to become indispensable to your clients. Now, COVID is not the best example because it was so huge that everybody was changing at the same time. But in your real world example, your daily action is figure out who your clients are, what do they care about, and what was the last change that you went through. The reason why I'm suggesting that you look at the last change that you saw in your clients is because that will help you to know what to look for, what matters to your clients. All right, that's it for today. Talk soon. Bye, y'all.